In this video, we're going to teach you how to remove and clean your spark igniter for your CFS 2300. First step you want to do is go ahead and hit the red system stop button near the front screen on the front panel. Once that's done, you're then going to get your crescent wrench and a piece of sandpaper. Once you have these tools, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the black plug holding the orange ignition wire. Once that's disconnected, you're going to get your crescent wrench. You're going to go counterclockwise to remove the igniter that's in there. All right, once you have the igniter out, we're going to grab our sandpaper and we're going to focus on the two steel tips after the white ceramic. We're going to go ahead and clean both of those pieces of steel. Be careful not to damage the white ceramic. What we're doing is we're actually cleaning the soot and carbon off of the igniter that will allow it to spark properly to ignite the burner. Once you got that clean, we're going to go ahead and reinsert it. Hand tighten. And then we're just going to snug it up. You don't have to go too tight, just snug it up. And then once that's snug, then we're going to go ahead and reconnect the black cap. All right, and that's how you clean the spark igniter on your CFS 2300. Now remember, there's one on the back burner here, which is your afterburner. There's also another burner on top, which is your main burner. Do them both.